Very good morning. Let me start with a brief introduction about myself. I would also like to talk about my journey in Six Sigma as well as Change Manager Practitioner. As in beginning, I started my career with basically consumer banking. I was in sales for cards, for loans. Moved up the ladder, was managing the operations for a bank altogether. Later decided that I should consolidate my experience and went ahead and did my management degree from Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies and got myself a green belt certification in Six Sigma. To my luck, I got campus placed in a company where the role demanded more of a change manager and a Six Sigma practitioner again. The focus was basically on identification of processes which could be taken up as a project for improvement on reduction of SLAs or turnaround time improvement, defect identification and reduction. These were the key focus areas when I joined. A change manager role, as simple as it may sound, has its own bit of challenges. The few things that I had to face during my work and my time in my present role would be, say, a process in itself. The policies and the procedures which are normally present on a paper would not match up with what actually happens on the floor. Each thing had to be mapped end to end, from actual practice to the policies that were written, the procedures that were written, because as is mapping was a critical part for us to achieve our future future improvement as such. The second most thing that we found was very critical in a Six Sigma project and challenging was the impact of variables on the outcome. Now, it may seem very simple that identification of variables which would impact the outcome is an easy task, but it doesn't happen so. In ground reality is so that the departments are not very open in sharing their data which is actually happening, or what they are recording is not accurate or not unbiased. So when you start your project and you are looking at an improvement and the data that is given to you to work on is not reliable, does not help you at all to progress. Third and the foremost, which was a challenge we face every day, is people dynamics. Interdependency between the processes, the dynamics of people who are actually going to implement these changes becomes a big issue for us to face. So in my career as a change manager in Six Sigma, these are the few things which motivate me every day, because I not only get and have my hands dirty with understanding the process, how to implement changes, identify where is the pain area, still bring about the positive change and see the result happening over a period of time. While this journey has just began for me, this is a great learning for me. I would like to continue on this path and want to be good at my analysis, be more precise at identifying variables, deliver sustainable results. Also, this BB training might help me, or I am more confident would really help me in my journey forward. Thank you.